Okay, so we'll be asking a few questions to these people, including myself later. And now we'll start with Okta. Okay, Okta. So tell us at least 4 skills that are important for the success of your study and why.
Okay, I think there are 4 skills that may be very important for my studies. The first one is time management. Then secondly, I think consistency, and then social skill, and lastly, I think focus. Okay, so the first one, time management. You need to manage your time, like when do you rest, when do you do your taxes, and then when do you relax. Okay, secondly, consistency is, I think, one of the most important out of the board, because of you need to be consistent with your when you do your like tasks, you know. Okay, then thirdly, social skill. You need social skill to socialize with people. Like you can do a brainstorm, like exchange your information. Yeah. Okay. And lastly, focus. You need to focus with your studies so you can do a good job. I think. Yeah.
Okay, and then what does it mean to be good with money?
I think being good with money is a condition where you got a monthly like payment from your parents or your when you're working. So each day you can eat well and not think about money, and also having a good saving from it. So you eat good and have a saving, separate saving, monthly saving. I think that's when you can be considered good with money.
Okay, thank you, Okta. So, okay, that we are done with Okta, let's switch to David Solvi. Okay, David, I'm gonna ask you some questions. What types of social media are you using and what benefits can you get from?
I use Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn, maybe Google, because from that I can get benefit and more information about what I like, and maybe for equipment for my animals, and from buying and selling my pet, maybe.
Okay, nice. And then, tell us at least 4 skills that are important for success of your study.
My skill is responsibility, focus, and time management, and
Maybe you can the ability to study by yourself.
the first time responsibility, because I can help many people, or maybe drawing, or for upgrade skill many items. Focus, I can focus, but
What can you do by being focused? What would you get by being focused?
I can focus, but my skill is can stop if I don't like
Like the thing that you're doing.
yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Okay, thank you, David, for the answers. And now I will be answering the questions that I got from Okta High School.
Okay, so my question is, how often do you socialize with fellow students? Tell us the details.
Socializing with other friends. Well, I meet them every day, so I talk with them every day. Well, sometimes we eat together. We eat together after classes, and sometimes we go to each other's houses for either doing tasks or just playing together.
Yeah, okay. My second question is, tell us your school years starting from your kindergarten to the present time.
So basically, back in Bandung, my years from kindergarten until high school is basically in the same school, not really same school. The school that is made by the same organization. It's Usulit. So back in my kindergarten, I didn't have much memory. Well, I was just playing around with my friends, and in elementary school, I used to have a best friend, but now because we had different vision, different future, and different interests, so we were not anymore. We were just acquaintances. And in the middle school, that was what I think one of the best moments, because I met my friend, and now he becomes my best friend until now. We are still talking online, And in high school, especially in the first 2 years, we are having a pandemic, right? So we were having online classes, and it was not very good, because I couldn't talk to my friends, and in the first 2 years, I didn't have any friend from the same high school. I was only talking to my friends back in the middle school, and on the third year, well, I was happier because I could meet my friends. I could meet the actual form of my friends, and that was also one of the best moments. And now I'm in college, and I couldn't give my opinion about it yet because it's still the beginning. So yes, that is all.
Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all, and we'll be continuing into the next question.
Okay, for this session, we'll be discussing about this scenario. Student is away from his family at hometown and has limited amount of money to spend. He often has some money in the end of the month, as his father gave only saved him money per month, that is at the beginning of the month. And now we'll be talking about different ways he could save money, and we'll be agreeing about the best solution that is applicable in this situation. Okay, so who will start giving opinion?
I think shopping smarter, like buying your basic ingredient for food instead of buying like the full meal, is more convenient for you to save money because it's obviously cheaper than just buying your meal straight up. And then the second thing, I think not to waste money on unhealthy things like cigarettes or maybe like beverage like beer or something like that is unnecessary for you because first of all it's unhealthy and second of all it's expensive. I think that's it for me.
I agree with you, especially the shop smarter one. And I will go ahead. Shop smarter also means we buy high quality things. That's okay if it's a little bit more expensive. But in the long run, it will be cheaper because we don't need to buy things as more often because high quality things means it will break longer. And how about you? What do you think? What save money?
I just have a saving goal because I can buy something like motorcycle, iPad, and maybe at laptop gaming.
That's interesting. So, what do you think of the best solution about the discussion?
I think we could agree that shopping smarter is the best option right here because of from your city.
Yeah.
And shopping smarter is definitely very important for us to survive in this place.
Yeah, I agree with you. I believe that shopping smarter is the best way. How about you?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, man. So we figured out and that shopping smarter is the best way to save money. Okay. Okay, so we are on the fourth section. We'll be discussing about several questions. I will be starting asking questions. Okay, so guys, what is the most memorable holiday you have had?
I think the most memorable holiday is this year, Chinese New Year, because I get to go out with my friends, like go back to home, my hometown, and having the most family time I've had in these 18 years of my life.
Yeah.
Because of I've been away from it like a few months, and then I came back home like, oh my god, so good to see you, like you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
that's it, I think.
So what do you think? Oh, last year's birthday. What about it?
Last year day with my girlfriend and family. It's my for me.
What did you do during your holiday, during your birthday?
Me and friend doing traveling together and eating with my family together.
Oh, yes.
All of it.
For me, well, I think my trip to, well, I've been to lots of places, but I think my favorite trip is when I went to Jogja. Yes, I went to Jogja. Because I get to see Prambanan Temple with my own eyes, and I could take a lot of photos of them
And after that, I will see a show, a theater show. It's about, I forgot what it's about. It's fantastic because of the effect and because of the movement and the dialogue of the people. It really resonates the feeling. And yes, and that's my best holiday. Is when I went to Jogja.
Then I'll be asking questions. Why did you choose UMN for your bachelor degree?
UMN. I chose UMN because I already got the scholarship gift. That's first, and then second, I have been searching about the best visual communication design majors around, and my mom thought that UMN is one of them. So I applied and I got it. Okay. How about you?
I choose UMN because I like photography and I can see all facility of the graphic.
Okay. For me, I chose UMN because of the building has a funny shape. First of all, and then for the coming major, I think it's one of the best university that are around. And then I get to explore a new town. Like it's very interesting to me, so I chose this campus.
Yeah, that's also one of the reasons why I went here because it's a new experience. Yeah. And yes, I'm in English. And so,
I asking you, what are your preference of wearing clothes and accessories?
clothing accessories. But honestly, I can wear anything, but I really like wearing t-shirt because it is comfortable to wear. Usually t-shirt has a really soft fabric, so it won't scrape my skin. And then for pants, I really love using chino pants, yes, because it is also soft and it is not heavy, unlike jeans. Yes, and that's all.
Okay. For me, my preferences for my clothes and accessories are I usually use bracelet, like 2 of them, and then I also got a necklace. I like them because like I feel like being helped by someone. For clothes, I usually wear t-shirts and sweatshirts because it's comfortable, and you can do many things with them. Like you can style it, so it's not boring. For pants, I usually use like short pants because it's wearing like long pants like this is sometimes kind of hot, especially when the weather is not really like the cool vibe, you know. Yeah, I think that's.
So me, maybe big, t-shirt, for pets, maybe jogger.
What's good? Well,
Because yeah.
okay, that's interesting. Okay, so that is all for this section. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is David from class B. I will describe the first photo or drawing. First, doctor. Doctors are usually responsible for diagnosing, treating, or providing medical care to patients. They can perform physical examination, prescribe medication, perform medical procedure, and provide medical advice to patients. They can also serve as care coordinator from complex patients. A doctor's income can vary depending on his or her specialty, location, expressions, and practice. However, generally, doctors' income is quite high, with an average of more than nurse income. And last, nurse have an important role in providing direct care to patients. They can perform various tasks, including monitoring the patient conditions, administration, medication, carrying out wound care, providing emotional support to the patient and their family, and carrying out the doctor's instructions. Nurses are also responsibility for documenting patient's record and collaborating with other members of the healthcare teams A nurse income also varies depending on their level of educations, experience, locations, and the type of healthcare facility where they work. Generally, nurse earn less than doctor, but can still be quite promising. Thank you.